If you want to create a clean, professional invoice without messing around in spreadsheets or formatting tables, this quick walkthrough will show you how to build one in just a few minutes using the free Invoice Generator by SmashingDocs. No software, no sign-up, no plugins. Everything's done right inside your browser. Let's jump in. This is the generator we're using today. You can access it completely free at smashingdocs.com. You can find the link in the description below. It works in real time, so anything you type updates instantly. And since everything runs locally, your data stays on your device. Nothing gets stored or uploaded anywhere. Let's start at the top. First, add your business or name, and if you want, upload a logo to personalize the invoice. Then fill in your email, phone number, and any other contact details you'd like displayed. Next, enter your client's information. That can be a business or a person, whatever matches how you bill. Keeping this section clear helps avoid processing delays. Over here, update the invoice number and date. You can use a simple numbering system like 001, 002, and so on. The generator will remember your last settings in the browser, making future invoicing even quicker. Now, let's add line items. Just type in the service or product, your rate, and quantity. The generator calculates totals automatically. You can add as many rows as you need and delete any if not required. If your business charges VAT or tax, enter the rate. If not, just insert 0. The totals update live. Further down, you'll see options for due date and payment terms. You can go with something like due upon receipt or payment within 14 days. A quick line here often improves how fast invoices get paid. There's also a notes area for things like payment instructions, PayPal, bank transfer, or any preferred method. If you'd like to include a friendly thank you message, now's a good place to add it. Once everything looks accurate, take a quick moment to double-check amounts, client name, and invoice number. The generator also offers branding options, like changing accent color or currency. Adjust them here to match your visual identity. It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference in presentation. When you're ready, click Download as PDF. The file instantly downloads to your device, with all formatting locked in and ready to send. Here's one more useful tip. If you create similar invoices each month, keep one as a base version. Just reopen the invoice generator later, update dates, invoice number, and project details, and hit download again. It takes less than a minute. And that's it. A fully professional, ready-to-send invoice created in just a few clicks using the free invoice generator from SmashingDocs. If this was helpful and you'd like more quick tutorials for business tools, planners, or freelance templates, feel free to subscribe. You can also explore more free templates anytime at smashingdocs.com. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your next project.